Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. It's Ron Nussbaum, the founder of BuilderComs. So what I want to do is jump on here real quick and go over how to add a user to your account. Let's jump right over here. You can see where you got my mug shot up here. You click on that, go to users. And this is going to bring up where you can manage users as well as add them. You can see we got a few different users in here. When we click up here, create a user, it is as easy as throwing somebody's name in here. So let's do Rocky the Foreman. Get him right on in here. Let me capitalize this. Looks halfway decent. We'll throw it in here, this email address. And since we are going to be making him a foreman, it's going to be a crew member. Create that crew. Let it do its thing here. And then Rocky will automatically get an email to go in and set up his password. So he becomes a user for you. So you can then start adding him to projects. He can then upload pictures in there, do all of that kind of stuff, as well as project updates for you and your customers. Now, if you're going to create an admin user, you just create a user right here. Now say whatever kind of permissions you want to give them. This would be Annie. Just leave it at Annie. And let's come right on in here. Set this user up. The exact same thing will happen. They will receive an email to set up their account. But as you can see, we added Annie in here. Now, messaging channel she has access to are sales and scheduling. And Rocky, the foreman, is in here as a crew member. When I go into the projects now, I can add Rocky. Let me assign a crew here. Let's add a crew member. Click right there, Rocky the foreman. Let's confirm him into this project, and boom, now when he signs in, he will see this BuilderComs test project right here will pop up for him. He will see that here. I have access to add pictures and everything to it. So if you guys have any questions or anything, do not hesitate to reach out. BuilderComs.com, team@BuilderComs.com as well for emailing. You can send us a form via our website as well. We are here to help you continue to grow and deliver a remarkable experience while getting rid of the he said, she said bullshit.